Paddle and set at the bed. And today we're going to do origami.
Origami 是，我都不知道是什么意思。
It's like you can make paper, like it's like making paper airplanes, paper dogs, paper.
哦，是折纸是吗？用纸来做小狗、飞机。
Yeah, like anything.
OK.
That you can do.
那你今天要做什么呀？
A paper airplane.
哦，好的。
So it's from science. I'm going to do two. So this one, I'm going to fold it in half.
先对折。
This is like, why is that so hard? This is like my.
对，你先对准一个角落，好不好？然后对好了吗？然后在这边按一个印儿，这边按一个印儿，好不好？然后再去对面。我们不要把它摁完整了。Don't press, just press a little bit on this side, and then do the other side.
And now take it off. This is. Then put it like this, like dog ears, but it's not dog. And now turn the page.
OK. 哎，你要把这个 press down, 对吧？
Oh.
对。
Yeah. Then you fold it.
哦，折一下，中间对折。
Then you fold it again. Well, no, you don't fold it. Huh?
是 fold again。你要这样，把它这样放好之后，这边这个边都过来这边。哎 ，no， 到这边。It's all the way down here.
Oh, yeah.
哦，哎，你要对齐了，宝贝，对齐了。这个边 ，look at.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Like this line should fold here. We have communication problems, right?
Yeah, because you said it so fast.
Okay, I'm saying that you need to make this line to this line. Yes. And this one go back a little bit. Move. No. This one. Yes. Like how you fold them in half.
I'm
Yes.
not really listening a lot.
Okay.
I don't really listen. I don't understand what to. So I do the same?
Yes.
I already forgot everything.
I wish they have directions on the paper.
Yeah, they just show arrows.
Yes. 这样 same thing like 那先不要 press， 你要先对齐了再 press down， 对不对？
Oh.
对。
Thank you.
Yes， 要对齐了，这所有的边都要对齐。好了。
Now.
Done.
Yeah, here.
How do you fly it?
I just threw it.
No, I think this way.
Oh. Hey, give me that. I want to fly it.
先把它的翅膀弄平了吧，应该。Right? Okay.
Ready, stay
Woo!
there. Now let's do the second one.
好的。
This time, I use this one. I do again. This one's a little
The
harder.
first step 是一样的，对吧？中间对齐。
Now I do it Now into this. Now I do this. I'm just going to do.
哎，这边没有对齐。
This is a little bit hard to work with paper.
然后这，哎，那下面也得对齐。对了，是的，很好，可以。Press down.
Now I do not know how to do this.
哦，要继续，妈妈教你啊，要继续 fold 吧。
Like this?
Yeah, not this. Yes. 对的。哎，这边先不要按，对，先不要着急按下去，先把它们对齐，对吧？看看，对这里。对齐 ，like make it.
I don't even know what "qi" means.
齐 means 我也不知道怎么去解释。对齐是，like the way you do this, like make this line, like sit on top of the other line. Does that make sense?
Doesn't make sense.
Okay, so make this line into the middle. Okay. Go to the middle.
I'm laughing to death.
好了，我觉得现在我们已经对齐了。This is called 对齐。你把那边 press down 吧。Press down. Yeah. 哎，妈妈的 English 啊，你的Chinese 我们两个人都要好好学习了。
I'm getting dumb.
No. Okay, do the same thing for the other side.
I'm just laughing to death. What? I forgot everything.
哎，那个没有对齐，要放在中间来。对了，对，妈妈帮你一下。哎，这个很漂亮哎 ，press down，press down，这个很漂亮。
I don't know why I was not good at the first one, but I'm so good at this one.
Practice makes perfect.
Now, do I have to do it again?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes. We need to keep folding.
Okay. Do the same thing?
Yes. Right. Hey, you got it. To the middle, right? Okay. 对，这个很对了。Whoa, this one looks very good. 笑什么？
I'm always so nervous.
Okay, do the same thing for the other side.
Hey, move your hand. I can't do it.
Okay.
Move your hand right next to mine.
I'm helping. Okay, I think you made it. 然后呢 ？Okay.
Wait.
No. 然后是 I think it's this way.
Oh.
哇，哎，不是这样 fly 的，要把它们的 wing 收起。对，这样 fly.
Now here's my favorite airplane.
Yes. Woo! Woo! That one flies far.
Yeah.
Good job, Michael. Yes.
So now, bye. And then we're also going to make one. So, like, how to make it. So we're not going to make it. We're only showing how. So bye, and we're just going to make that video in a second.